Hey guys, welcome back to Gavin's Garage. In this video, we're going to do an unboxing of the Firman 3650. 3,650 watts starting watts and 3,300 running watts. This is a inverter generator, so it does have clean power, and this one also has key start. This Firman also has a 193cc engine. It has 1.8 gallon tank, so you should have a long run time, actually over 9 hours on a quarter load. So it is parallel capable. It comes with everything you need to get this generator up and running. So you don't need to bring your own oil and all that stuff. Everything comes in this package. Firmans are usually known for that. Let's go ahead and get it open and we'll do an unboxing. Okay, let's get this strap off. Okay, let's see what's in here. This is your goodie bag. In this bag, this one comes with the battery charging cable. So you just plug this into the generator. I think it gets up to 8.3 amps, 12 volts. So you could charge a battery right off your generator. It also has a charger for the built-in battery. So you just plug this in to keep that battery charged once the generator is stored. See, it's really nicely packed. Instruction manual from the Firman. That's this nice thick cardboard all around the generator. And styrofoam. So you shouldn't worry if you get your generator and it looks like the box is got a little boo-boo. It's still nicely packed on the inside. Once we get the generator out, we should see if there's any damage to it. But I don't think there's gonna be any damage. Really nicely packed. Okay guys, so we got the generator out of the box, got it on the table. This is the oil box. Okay, it's 1030 Firman power equipment oil. 18 fluid ounces. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and look at some of the features of the 3650. You got your fuel shutoff. Right next to it, you have your manual choke, your pull start. This right here is off, run, and start. So you push up to start, and then you push it down to shut it off. Your eco mode, on, off, on. You have your indicator switches, lights right here, indicator lights. Your digital display. Your 20 amp plugs. I love the covers on the Firmans, nice thick covers. This one comes RV ready plug, real nice. So if you're using this on your RV, you just plug it right in. You got one USB with a cover. Your 20 amp reset. Your parallel ports right here. This is your DC reset. And your DC plug. Grounding lug right here. This one does have a handle and the wheels, so transporting this will be real easy. Spark arrestor. This is the back end of the unit. Okay, so this is your service side. Got 4 screws. This thing is really solid. It's actually metal. And it has a sound dampening on it. Okay, so this is the inside of the Firman 3000. Well, the 3650. Okay, let's go ahead and get this off. Okay, put your funnel. Okay guys, so just go ahead and pour your oil in real slow. You get your oil in there, you go ahead and replace the cap. There you go. Okay guys, so once you put your oil in, you'll go right here and you'll have to cut these off. Cut that off right here. And you just connect these. Okay. And just tuck it back on the bottom. I took the back off. This is your inverter right here. So from this side, your service side, you have your engine, the air filter, carburetor, spark plug. This is the bottom of your gas tank right here. Your battery pack is located right here in the back. Little strap holds it in. You can see the air filter from right here and your inverter. We'll get the cover back on. This is pretty cool. The air filter actually has a little housing that sits right here and pulls air from the outside. So it actually pulls cool air. The Firman 3650 has this little thing right here. It connects to the air filter. Allows the carburetor to get fresh air from the outside. It's pretty cool. Okay, you put the back cover back on. All right, get some gas in it and we'll fire it up. Firman 3650ir. Okay guys, we got the gas in the Firman. And first thing you'll do is turn your fuel on. Give the carburetor a chance to fill up. Usually takes about 30 seconds to do that. You'll turn your eco mode to off. There you go. Okay, so this little display right here gives you the voltage, frequency, and that will be the amps. Okay guys, thanks for watching Gavin's Garage. This has been the unboxing of the Firman 3650. I'm gonna run the generator for a little bit, then change the oil before I do any kind of load testing on it, just to get it broken in right before I do a heavy load testing. So I'll run it for a little bit, change the oil, and then in the next video I'll do a comparison with another generator. But it's the Firman 3650. I think it's a really nice looking generator. We'll go ahead and do the oil change and come back and give it a good load test. All right guys, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day guys. Thank you.